Hey friends, if Bing search is not working on Microsoft Edge on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So I'll explain this. First of all, you need to check the internet speed. Go to fast.com and hit enter and check the internet speed. Is it good enough? I mean, even 10 Mbps or 20 Mbps is sufficient for running Bing search. The next solution is to check the Bing server status. Now, if Bing is not working, at least Google would be. So you can search for google.com and then search for Bing server status and hit enter. And then click on any of these server detection websites like Down Detector. Is it down? And then it will start verifying and then it will mention whether it's down or not. So it will report the outages, and if the outages are very high, then you can consider, I mean 15 is not very high, that's throughout the world, but if there are a few, then it may not be a global issue. Then you can kill the Microsoft Edge process and reopen it and try to launch Bing. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Wait for the list to load. Right click on Microsoft Edge, click on End Task, and this will kill the process. Then the last solution is to repair Microsoft Edge. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu and go to Apps, Installed Apps, search for Edge, click on the three dots associated with it, select Modify, and then click on Repair. This will start repairing Microsoft Edge. Once this is done, you can try to reopen Microsoft Edge and start searching for Bing here. And the default search engine is Bing. So you can simply search for, is it working, or anything that you want to, and it is working right now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.